What's up guys, today I'm going to replace this radio. I'm going to put screen over here. So it is 2012 Honda Civic. I would say it's not that much hard. Going to tear this apart because this one goes inside over here. So I'm going to do that. I start from here. It's hard to record from here. Let me tear apart. Hopefully I think it's going to break. I'm going to do that. I believe it's easy than my other car I did. That one's easy too, it's not that much hard. But we're not going to take apart this one and replace it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so guys, just pull it. You might break it, but if you break it, you will twist sometimes. I already opened from here in this side, so and just start move on. Hopefully no bolts. If there's a bolt, you can't take it off sometimes. I think there's something inside here. Clip, yep, one's out. Go slowly. And that's too long. This one sometimes you can use your fingers. I don't know if there's a screw. Find out one way or another. Okay, let me go over here and finish it from here. Okay, we're out. So we're good. No screws till now. So I can't only use my fingers over here. Okay, it's coming out. See, yep, one is out over here. Oh, come on, don't get in. Looks easy. No screws, that's good. Okay, over here. Over here's the clip over here. There's this clip over here. Okay, one's out. Okay, it's kind of coming out. So you need to have this kind of stuff. You don't need screwdriver. Screwdriver you're going to not damage it, but this one would be nice to have. Okay, so I think. Only wires holding it for on this side, two sides. You don't clip them. More unclip. Well, we don't need to take the whole thing. Can leave it like this. Yeah, you don't need to take the whole thing. Can leave it like this. Yeah, I'll put like it. Okay, guys, no Phillips holding it, I believe. Find out one way or another. Let me pull it. There's something holding it. Hopefully, it's only the clips. Okay, so I'm getting over here. This thing's holding me. Okay. I feel like something's holding me, but it's only the clips. On the new one, there's only clips. So if I pull it hard, for sure I'll break it. I wish they put some Phillips or something. Much more easier. Yeah, just clips inside here. Let me come from here. Come on. Okay, okay, it's coming out. It's so easy for first easy job. If you do it too many times, it's easier. It's not coming out somehow. It's out. More clips open, I think. From here, there's the flips. On the newer one, there's no, so the older one doesn't have two. Alright, I guess you're going to take this cover off. It is two Phillips under here. I will take it off. I was struggling to take it out, and I saw there is a bolt from here. So you're going to go under here. There's the Phillips too. You have to under it. You can't see. Hard to record. Let me try. There's two Phillips under here. Can I see? No, you can't see. It's over there. It's not going to be easy to record you. So there is under it. For sure, I'm gonna take it out and see. Alright guys, there's two screws under here. You're going to take two Phillips to take this cover, and then I'm going to take this one, I don't know, maybe they're 10mm or 8mm, but I use Phillips. There's under here, otherwise this one doesn't come out without this taker off. I was struggling, and then I saw on this side there's a screw, so now it's coming out. Here it is. And then there's a clip around it, but only those two going to hold it more than the clips. Bring it down a little bit. Okay, this one's in the way now. Everything's coming out now. There we are. Well, I'm going to unplug it from on this side. Okay, there is something to turn to. First, I'm going to unplug some of them. Come on. Just unplug it. But one of it, you have to turn the clip, I believe. I'm going to use this one, I guess. And I'm going to show you too. Over here, this one, the bigger one, you have to turn this guy in the knob. And here it is. Here it is. So junk. You don't need this one. For the newer one, you don't have this junk. Look at how different it is. And then this one heavier than this one. Okay, what's that again? Alright guys, I put every wires, so I'm going to unplug over there and test it before I put it back. Let's do that right now. But I don't know which one's which one. I think the bigger one goes on this one. This one goes, there's a clip over here, you need to press it when you do it. Yeah, I think that one goes over here. I have to go forward more. The wires, some of them they're longer, so that's good. Okay, let's see. I don't know which one is which one. This one's not. Yeah, this one is. When you watch inside it, you can't tell which one's which one. Okay, this one thing always goes like this. Yeah. And then this one. This one, the first one. And this one for the radio. Where's this one? Where's this one? Alright, so now I'm going to turn the car on and see if it works or not. If not, that's bad. So I'm going to put the key, turn on, and see. Okay guys, it works perfect. When you open the door, we'll show you over here. Like this, perfect. It's new, so that's good. Now let me put back everything, and I'll be back after I finish it. Okay. Alright guys, you need to take this white clip and you have to put it on the newer one over here. I already zip tied some of them over there. So you need to take there's 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom too. So you have to do all of them and put it on there. And there's any screws for this, for the you don't need to take this one, the bracket doesn't fit on this one, so that's good. This one's heavier, I told you that. Now it'll be nicer. So, thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. So I finished. I already put all clips over here. So now I'm going to put it back. Hopefully this one does go up and down. Actually goes, I can deal with it from here. I'm going to put it back. Just a clip. Hopefully. Okay. All in. Oh, come on. You come out easily. That thing really good. Okay, I'm going to put this one back. Don't forget this guy. Alrighty, we're in. You need to find the place to put it in over here. I don't find it yet. I have to go down, I think. Okay, we're in. Now push it in. I guess all done. A little bit struggling over here, just push it in. So good. Now I'm going to bolt it in over here. Phillips, not that hard. 2 USB. I'm going to disconnect it like this. All done. It's not that much charge, so only 2 bolts. This 2, you need to take it from here. I'm going to put it back here. Yeah, all done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and write your comment down below.